Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z6981A. 66,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, black granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package, hitch and wiring behind the cover. Nice clean look when not in use. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and even more space in the upper dash. And home-link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6981A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.